Okay, what we're doing is we're using a Telecom piercing clip. This particular one has a bed of nails and has a spike. Typically when you hook these up, just to show that it works though, first we're going to touch the end. I've got the other end of the meter probe on the other end of the wire, that it does have continuity. Typically you would grab the wire, in this case I'm using the bed of nails, and you can see it's not piercing it all the way. Well, you have to sometimes give it a little bit of a squeeze and see that you have continuity. That was using the bed of nails. Or sometimes you may want to use the spike that comes with it. In the spike, you need to get it in the center. It has continuity to it. Typically, this comes in is helpful when it's a lot longer section that you're checking, but for demonstration purposes, we're using about a foot of wire just to show it. When you're done, you can see that doesn't harm the wire, that it closes back around the inner conductor.